Here we go, 25 types of people at Fremont. Let's see who's first. Type number 1, Braille. Type number 2, that guy that always got to go to work.
See you later, I gotta go to work.
This isn't scripted at all.
Type number 3, the skate crew from Oakland. First try! Type number 4, the photographer. Ah, got him! Type number 5, the father. It's good to have you here. You're a good dad.
Thank you.
Type number 6, the son. He crushed it. Type number 7, the bowl skater. Type number 8, the old school skater. We got mad respect. Type number mom, the mom. Type number 10, the innocent bystander. Type number 11, the guy that you would not expect to be able to skate, but he's actually really good. First try! Type number 12, the Mont babies.
What's up, Baron?
Yes, sir. Crush it for us. That's a Mont baby first try! Type number 13, the snake bowl rider. You never catch me doing that. It's so scary. No. Type number 14, the goofy transition skater. Not to be confused with the bowl skater, please. Type number 15, the girlfriend. You did great. You did great. The support from the side, oh, fantastic, fantastic.
I don't even skate.
Yeah, you crushed it. You were so in support. Type number 15, Fetty Potter. Type number 16, the bully. Oh! Type number 16, the wannabe trendy. Yes! Crushed it! Type number 17, the guy who just does tail stall to rock to tail stall to rock to rock to tail stall to rock.
Hey, Boozer! Do something else! All you do is watch Avengers!
Type number 18, the guy in the red beanie. Huh?
What number am I?
18, the guy in the red beanie.
Oh, yeah.
Number 19, the manual guy. Got him! Type number 20, swag first.
Hey, what's up, guys? Swag first here.
So swag!
I've known Swag First for many years. Never fails to impress me as a good person.
Type 21, Spider-Man.
Type 21, Spider-Man.
Yeah.
First try! Type 22, little kid in the biggest bowl. Woo!
Please don't die, Luke. No. Oh my god, did he really do that?
Type 23, the daredevil. I got so much respect for Luke right now. Type 24.
Newest Braille member.
Type gamer, the gamer.
Draw the sword, yo.
Have you beat it yet?
No.
Dang.
Type 25, the park ranger.
Oh, yeah. Nope. Just come over here. Yeah, that was a lame attempt at a trick. I mean, that was so sorry. You just didn't put anything into it.
I'm gonna call for backup. We got a code 3 poser.
If you're gonna pose, you're gonna get the ticket. So I'm gonna give you a chance this time. I'll let you off this once. Next time, you either stick your trick, you pay the price.
I really gotta go for it.
We're fine. We have an understanding here. All right, but keep an eye on this guy. All right, hey, and no filming.
All right, we hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Please leave in the comments below what list you would like us to cover next. We really appreciate your guys' input into every single video that we make. Click right here to go to all the other videos in the playlist. Click right here to go to brailleskateboarding.com for your resource on skateboarding. Learn to skateboard, get skateboarding made simple today, and get yourself started. If you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button, leave that comment below. Thank you. See you tomorrow.